Hi students, today we are going to sketch the graph, the quadratic function fx equal to x square minus 6x plus 5 using vertex and intercepts. We studied about vertex and intercept, how to find the vertex and intercept, and a quadratic function, quadratic graph, this looks like in this way. We know a square is a is positive there. And what we are going to do here, we are going to sketch the graph with the points here. So we may get the graph in this way. Basically, we want to calculate where is vertex, where are the x-intercepts, and where is the y-intercept. So we need to find out these points, then you can complete the graph here. Okay, let's see how to get these points. The first one is we're going to for vertex here. For that, let us see what is a, b and c in this function. We know that a is 1, b is minus 6 and c is 5. So a is 1, b is minus 6 and c is 5. Okay, let's start with vertex. Vertex. We know the formula to find the vertex. The x value of the vertex is minus b by 2a, that is minus of minus 6 over 2 multiplied by 1. This is 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So we got x coordinate of vertex. Now we go for the y coordinate of vertex. We know how to find the y coordinate if you know the x coordinate is 3 here. So you substitute x equal to 3 in the original function. So the function value of 3, that is the y coordinate. So we are substituting this 3 in place of x in the original function. So that is in place of x, we are substituting 3 square minus 6 multiplied by again 3 plus 5. So we can calculate this, that is 3 square is 9 minus 6 multiplied by 3 is 18 plus 5. So the answer is 9 minus 18 is minus 9 plus 5. Minus 9 plus 5. So the final answer is minus 4. So now we got the x coordinate and the y coordinate for the vertex. So we got the vertex as the vertex x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is minus 4. Okay. Okay, the vertex is 3 minus 4. Now we go for intercepts. We know the intercept, we have x-intercept and y-intercept. So intercept means where the graph crossing the axis. So let's go for x-intercept first. So x-intercept. So to find the x-intercept, the rule is where put y equal to 0. We know the y means fx. So x square minus 6x plus 5 is 0. And we need to find the values of x. So how do you get values of x? We know how to solve a quadratic equation. We use the quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So we do the substitution. We have a, b, c here. Minus b means minus of minus 6 plus or minus b square minus 6 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 and c is 5. The whole divided by 2 multiplied by a. So when you simplify this, we know the minus of minus 6 is going to be positive 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 square, that is 36, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5, that is 20, whole divided by 2. And so it is 6 plus or minus, we know 36 minus 20 is 16, root of 16 over 2. When we calculate root of 16, we know root of 16 is 4 divided by 2. We know that when you solve quadratic equation, we make two answers. One is with this plus, another one with minus. So we write it as two answers here because we have two x-intercepts. First one is 6 plus 4 by 2 and the second one is 6 minus 4 by 2. So the x-intercepts are, we know 6 plus 4 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. The second one is 6 minus 4, that is 2 divided by 2 is 1. So what we get here, 5 and 1 means the x-intercepts. So we can write it as x-intercept or intercepts are, you know, x-intercepts are 2 points. The points when y is 0, now when y equal to 0. So the x-intercept, we write it as the 2 coordinates. The first one is 1, 0 and the second one is 5, 0. We know y coordinates are 0 and these are the x values. So the first x value is 1, second x value is 5. Okay. Now we will find the y-intercept. Y-intercept. We know the rule to find the y-intercept is put x equal to 0. Where? Put x equal to 0 in the original function. So that means y equal to, in place of x will be 0 here, 0 square minus 6 multiplied by 0 plus 5. That is 0 square is 0 minus 6 multiplied by 0 is 0 plus 5. So we get y value as 5. So y-intercept is a point where we know x equal to 0 and y value is 5 here. So this is y-intercept. Okay, now see, we got vertex, we got the intercept, that is x-intercept is 1, 0, 5, 0 and the y-intercept is 0, 5. So we got all the required points to plot the graph. Now I'm going to plot the graph over here, sketch the graph over here. Let's start with vertex. You know, vertex is 3 minus 4. Where is 3 minus 4? That means 3 in the x-axis and goes down by 4 units. So 3 minus 4 is here. This is 3 minus 4. So this is the vertex. Now let's see the x-intercepts. The x-intercepts are 1, 0 and 5, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0 is the x-axis here. 5, 0 over here. So these two are the x-intercept and this is what we call the vertex. And the y-intercept is 0, 5. Where is 0, 5? 0, 5 is on the y-axis here. This is 0, 5. Now we got the shape of the graph. You know the shape of the graph, otherwise A is positive. You know A is positive is definitely the shape of the graph will be positive graph. It is open to upside. And more than that, we know it has a minimum value. It has a minimum value, and the minimum value is always the y coordinate of the vertex, that is -4. We know that the graph, the minimum value is here at -4. Let's complete the drawing here. So let's start from this is vertex. You know the graph is going to turn here. So it is a curve. So it's going through 5, and the other side it goes through 1 in the x-axis, and it has to cross in the 5 in the y-axis. So it goes up and it crosses here, and the graph extends on either side. So this is the vertex. Vertex is 3 minus 4, and this is the x-intercept 5, 0, and this is another x-intercept 1, 0, and this is the y-intercept 0, 5. We can see that it has a minimum value. Minimum value is -4.